Good day everyone, and here I am discussing the first three items given by Sir Robert. So first is, a sari-sari store owner bought a box of instant noodles for 450 pesos and sold it for 510 pesos. What is the profit and the percentage profit? So the given are cost price is equals to 450 pesos and the selling price is 510 pesos. And since ang hinahanap is profit and percentage profit, we're using the formula profit is equals to selling price minus cost price. And for the percentage profit is equals to percentage profit over cost price times 100. So for the solution, we have to get the profit first to calculate the percentage profit. So 510 is equals to 450, which is equals to 60 pesos. So now we have the profit, we can now compute the percentage profit. So 60, which is the profit, and the over cost price, which is 450 pesos, times 100 is equals to 13.33 pesos. 13.33%. So move on. Number 2 is Jenny bought a bag for 850 pesos and sold it for 790 pesos during a garage sale. Did she gain or lose money? By how much? What is the percentage loss? So given by the question, cost price is equals to 850 pesos and the selling price is 790 pesos. So for the solution, we're asking if magkano ba yung na-loss niya sa pagkabili niya dun sa cost price na binili ng bag. So for the solution, loss is equals to 850 minus 790 and we get 60 pesos, which is the loss, yung kanyang na-loss na pera sa pagbili ng kanyang bag. And for the percentage loss is 60 over 850 pesos times 100 is equals to 7.06%. Moving on to the number 3 is, a vendor bought a fruits for 1,200 pesos and sold them all for 1,500 pesos. Calculate the profit and percentage profit. So just like the item number 1, we're asking again for the kung ano ba yung profit at percentage profit niya. Yung given is cost price is equals to 1,200 pesos and for the selling price is 1,500 pesos. So sa solution, kagaya lang number 1, yung profit is equal minus din yung selling price sa cost price. And the answer is 300 pesos. And for the percentage profit, 300 over 1,200 times 100 is equals to 25%. Thank you.